thunder, perhaps even some small hail, and then tomorrow, probably a greater risk of strong or severe thunderstorms. This evening, though, we have gotten into some sunshine. We have temperatures still moderating, and we've got a humidity factor of 7, pleasant for being and working outside into the evening. Later on tonight, though, a marginal risk of severe storms. According to the Storm Prediction Center, that threat of severe weather would be hail, possibly up to an inch in diameter. And then tomorrow, wind, hail, not huge, but some, and then even an isolated tornado for these areas southeast of the Omaha Metro. This is one of our computer models, and it shows you clouds on the increase tonight, but doesn't have a whole lot, even overnight tonight, more so into Iowa and north of the Omaha Metro. Clouds to start, clouds filling in again, not a whole lot of sunshine. And then a cold front getting into the Omaha Metro by mid-afternoon. And then eventually showers and a few thunderstorms develop on that front, track to the southeast. And this would be kind of a lesser scenario as far as storminess for the Omaha Metro. That's the graph model, our in-house computer model. This is the high-resolution rapid refresh, a little more robust with overnight thunderstorms. Also kind of cloudy and quiet tomorrow morning, though we do get a little bit of heating in here. And then along this front that's coming through and south of the front, storms develop, and there's 4 o'clock looking active around the Omaha Metro, 6 o'clock between Omaha and Des Moines, and then 10, 11 o'clock, more storms into southeast Nebraska. I sort of favor this computer model. It does look like we'll have a lot of energy in the atmosphere. Kind of the question, though, is how much heating do we get? Such as today, we thought maybe we'd make the low 60s with some sun. So far, we've stopped at 58 degrees. Clouds are thicker tomorrow and hold the temperature down. That's going to limit our chances of seeing stronger storms. Look at that sunshine. That is nice. That's I-80 from a camera at the Embassy Suites La Vista. 58 degrees, southeast breeze blowing, 60 Bellevue, 60 Fremont, 64 in Lincoln, 66 in Beatrice. So all it takes is some sun. Got that breeze blowing from the southeast, and at least for the early evening, we're quiet. No rain, really not much in the way of cloud cover around the Omaha area and southeast Nebraska. A lot of clouds down here in Kansas, and that cloud cover is going to come north tonight. And we think with the warm front lifting north, that will spawn the showers and thunderstorms, though, like we said, after midnight tonight, most likely. Tonight's low 50. We have it as impact weather because of that chance of storms after midnight, which potentially could contain some hail. Still a lingering shower chance at 8 a.m. We're going to get a break. We should heat up into the mid and upper 60s, and then the strong storm chance around 4 o'clock, give or take an hour or two in the afternoon. That's our severe weather threat. 54 on Saturday. Saturday will be breezy and pretty chilly in the morning, although not too bad in the afternoon. And then look at that. Sunday, which is the beginning of daylight saving time. Don't forget you're going to lose an hour of sleep Saturday night. But a high of 70 there and a high of 71 on Monday.
What happens tomorrow night could also be dependent on what happens overnight.
Oh, yeah. All related. You bet.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.